Come test drive the 2010 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, mirrors power, passenger, remote trunk release, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.